Hey, 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 hey. Hey, everyone, welcome back. Welcome back. I am back home. Oh Jesus, it is so cold. It is so cold. It is so cold. It feels so good to be back. Jesus Christ. Never again, never again, never again. So I have doctor's appointment today, so I just start the car, getting it warmed up. But it's taking forever. To warm up. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, okay. So I have a 4:10, 10:30 appointment, and it's 9:59 now. So I have to be there by 9:15. People, this is my first time driving in snow. Driving in snow. Oh, oh, Jesus, have mercy. Back in New Hampshire. So how is everyone doing today? Hope all is well. Um, as you guys know, I was away for almost 3 months in another state for work in North Dakota. I was in North Dakota for work, and just got home today, last night rather. Yeah, rather. I was supposed to be home from Sunday. I was supposed to be home from Sunday, but my flight got cancelled. So until Tuesday yesterday. So when I get to my when I get to the airport, Tuesday, they said it was okay. So I'll catch my flight to where I was supposed to where I was supposed to go. But then when I got to Chicago, I was supposed to go to Chicago. But when I got to Chicago, the flight delayed for 4.5 hours. So I've been in Chicago for 4.5 hours. Like, I was there from 8:30. I think I was there. No, not 8:30. The plane got there. I think 8 o'clock. So I had 30 minutes layover time in Chicago. So I was there from 8 o'clock in the morning until 1 afternoon yesterday. Then I left there after one, probably like 1:20 or so. 1:20 or so, and then it's an hour and 38 minutes to Boston. So when I got to Boston, it was after 4. Then I catch the bus, and then 2.5 hour drive from Boston to my home, and then my husband came and picked me up at the bus stop. Was like 3 minutes away. It was like 3 minutes away. So I got home, I think a bit after 8 o'clock. A bit after 8, I got home. Got to get something to eat because I was so hungry. So hungry. I was so hungry. My tummy hurt. My whole entire stomach system was so messed up yesterday on the plane. Jesus, one of the time I thought I would have to say something and they would probably have to land, do emergency landing somewhere. But then I said no. I just got up and went into the bathroom. I didn't want to do or anything like that. It was just that my stomach was, I don't know if it was gas. So I got a cracker or something to eat from one of the air hostess, and then some ginger ale, and that's what I got those, and it kind of started to feel a little bit better. So then I went to the bathroom, thinking that it would I probably need to release for it to feel much better, but I did not do anything in the bathroom. It's just wind, like just silent farts, and it has no smell. So um, then after that, I felt a little bit better, and then by the time I sat down back in my chair, in my seat, it was time to for them to land in Boston. And so then after I picked up my luggages, it was like 15 minutes after standing up, the bus came and left. So and then as just started sleeping. Just started to sleep. Just started to sleep. On the bus, so when I woke up from the bus ride, it was woke up from the bus ride. It was like I'm almost half the journey to get home, and I was there just kind of watching, the movie a little bit. Just for a little bit. So that was it. So I'm actually at the hospital now. I'm going to do. I'm going to my stomach doctor. Yeah, I think I have a MRI to do this morning. So this is it. Yeah. So I'll see you guys when I get back home. All right. Bye.